Alright, next tutorial is for these pieces here between the back legs. That's called the brace. So there's two of them. Go back to our plan and there they are, the brace, 320 long, 65 wide, 19 thick. And you can see it down there. It's a mortise and tenon joint. We've actually already cut the mortise, so let's do it. Alright, to draw these, the simplest way is going to be looking down on the top of those back legs, but everything's in the way here, so we're actually going to turn some of these components off. So we'll go through and just click the light bulb until we get rid of pretty much everything except for those back legs. Create a sketch, and we're going to click on the top surface over here. It doesn't matter which one, just click one of them. Zoom out so we can see everything. Rectangle tool, and simply draw from this point to this point. We don't need any dimensions, and we're also going to go from the top of the joint there, this point to this point, and we'll do the same on the opposite side. Here to here, and we are done. Now on extrude, we're going to click the new profiles that we just created. So this one, and this one. Make sure we don't click those edges there. And we want to go down, so it's got to be a negative dimension, and it's going to be negative 65. And it's important here that this is not a join. It has to be, we can go straight to a new component. New component, and click OK. I'm going to add my appearance now. Yeah, that's one of them drawn. Right, we just need a second one down the bottom here. So it's exactly the same as this one, so we'll just copy it. So move copy. What object? Make sure you select components. It's asking you what component, and click on that one. The type of move, again, we'll do a point to point, so make sure you select the point to point. We're going to create a copy, so put the tick in here. Origin point, so I'm going to choose this bottom edge, the bottom corner, click, and now the target point. Is in the bottom of that mortise, that corner, and click. There we go, and that looks okay, so we click OK. There we go, back legs are done. All we've got to do is turn our components back on. Sorry, the braces are done, and that completes the step ladder. Next thing left to do is create a drawing and a render of it.